Here I have my abacus set up for base 12. I have 2, 4, 6 pennies on each of the lower sections and 2 pennies on the upper section. I have a very limited view from my camera, so I have to kind of cram all these pennies in together on the small abacus frame. What's important, of course, is to leave a space near the center bar so that it's obvious if a penny is pushed towards it or not. The first thing we want to do is is to show the number 1A7 in base 12. Remember that A is a symbol that we use to represent the quantity that in base 10 we would call 10. It's not called 10 in base 12, it's called A. 10 in base 12 is the quantity that we would call 12 in base 10. So you have to keep that straight. All we needed were extra symbols to go past the 9 symbol that we use in base 10, and so we have to put in more symbols to represent the quantity and just have one symbol that does it. So first let's show what 1A7 looks like. 1 in the 12 to the second power place. The quantity A is this. Let's count up to A just to see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've maxed out. We turn those 6 pennies in for 1 penny above, so that's 6, 7, 8, 9, A. 6, 7, 8, 9, A. 1 digit A is representing this quantity, and then 7 is 6 and 1. So that is 1A7 in base 12. The next thing we want to do is reset our abacus back to 0 and then count to B4. So I will bring those down, push those up. I'm going to count to B4. This can take a little while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maxed out, turn them in, 6. 7, 8, 9, A, B. Max out, turn those in for that one up there, that's 6 up there. Maxed out, turn those in for this. So this is 1, 0 in base 12. And you see that when we maxed out these 2 up here, it was 2 6s is 12, what we would call 12 in base 10. But it's 1, 0 in base 12. So there's 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Maxed out, turn them in. There's 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, A, 1, B. Maxed out, turn them in for 1 up there. Turn those in for there. Now we're at 2, 0, base 12. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Turn them in. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B. Maxed out. Turn them in for that. Maxed out. Turn them in for that. We're at 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maxed out. Turn them in for 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B. Maxed out, turn them in for that. Turn those in for that. Now we're at 4, 0 in base 12. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maxed out, turn them in. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B. Maxed out, turn them in for another one of those. turn those in for one of those. We're at 5, 0, base 12, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn them in for 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, maxed out, turn them in, get 2, turn them in for one of those. We've maxed out the bottom at 6. We turn those in for one of those. Now we're at 6, 0 in base 12. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn them in. 6, 6, base 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, maxed out. Turn them in. 2 of those maxed out. Turn them in. We're at 6, 1. I'm sorry, 7. 6 and 1 is 7. 7, 0, base 12. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn them in for 6, 7, 6. 7, 8, 9, A, B, maxed out. Turn them in, turn it in, bring down the 1, turn in the 2. Now we're at 6 plus 2 is 8, so we're at 8, 0 in base 12. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn them in for 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, maxed out. Turn them in, maxed out. Turn them in. We're at 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, base 12, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn them in for 1, 7, 8, 9, A, B, maxed out, turn them in for that, maxed out, turn them in for that. We're at 6, 7, 8, 9, A, base 12, A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn them in for 6, that's A6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, maxed out, turn them in, maxed out, turn them in. Now we're at 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're done. There is B4 in base 12.